Hello guys, it's your girl Bianca Love Emma. If you're new here, you're watching House of Love. So in this house, we discuss talents with nothing else but love. So today on the menu, we have carrot juice. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make carrot juice. So for the ingredients, we have carrots, lemon, and sugar. I usually blend my carrots with some ginger, but because today ginger isn't available, so I'm just going to go like that. So before we begin, please can you just strike on the red subscription button down below and also on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. So right now, I'm just going to slice my carrots into smaller pieces for easy blending. So I'll add some sugar to blend with the carrots, and I add about 2 cups of water. You can decide to add your water depending on the amount of carrots that you have. So I have six little carrots, and I added 2 cups of water. So I'm preparing my bowl and sifter that I'm going to use to sift the carrot, the blended carrot. So I think no. So at this stage the carrot is already well blended. I'm just going to sieve it. And I'll use a big spoon to press so that the juice can come out. And now I'm going to take out the juice from my lemon. And I'll give it a stir. And I'm just going to pour into my jar. So guys, that's it. Your carrot juice is ready with just 3 ingredients. You can decide to add ginger. Some people decide to add pineapple. It all depends on you. So guys, thanks so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.